Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here today with an awesome tone and sculpt arm workout with the option of dumbbells. You don't need them. You can even use water bottles if you need to. So let's get right into it. Alrighty, first we're gonna start with some classic bicep curls. So your palms are facing forward, your elbows are in tight, close to your hips. All right, and then we're flexing up, boom. All right, and then coming slowly down. Don't just release like that because you could hurt yourself and then you're not gonna work your arms, your muscles as much as you want to. So up and then slow, up and slow, control, keeping those elbows nice and tucked in. And even though we're just moving our arms, we have a good stance. So a little bend in the knees, all right? It's gonna help stabilize you, engaged core, all right? Good posture, it's all connected, so it's very important. All right, squeeze, if you wanna hold it up here a little bit, squeeze, and then slow down, all right? And 3, 2, 1, and release, very good. Next, we have some alternating punches. All right, we're gonna start with them vertically like this, and then you're gonna turn them horizontally when you go and punch, all right? Boom, back together, close, elbows close to your body. Out and in, twisting them, all right? Vertical, horizontal. Very good, and remembering that posture again. Breathing. Oop, forgot to twist mine there. All right, there we go, getting the flow of it, very good. And 3, 2, 1, and release, very good. Putting one of our dumbbells down with a nice straight back, super important. All right, we're gonna hold our dumbbells over our heads like this at the top. All right, nice straight arms for some tricep extensions. All right, so straight, and then you're bending the elbows, coming down, and then straightening again, really squeezing up here, but making sure you're not coming back like this. All right, when we do that tricep, all right, fold first, boom, lock it in, all right, up and then down, keeping those elbows nice and tight, close to your head, so we're not like this, boom, close it in, close that rib cage, squeeze as you extend, and then bend again. All right, a nice bend in the knees as well. It's gonna help with your posture. Instead of like this, we're forward, a little bend, and then you can focus on your arms like that, very good. And 3, 2, 1, and coming down, very good. Grabbing that other dumbbell, nice straight back, very good. We have my favorite, last but not least, because this is my favorite, alternating hammer curls with a kickback. All right, so hammer curls look like this. I like to do it a little bent forward. All right, you can do it standing, but hammer curls like this, like we're hammering something, boom, 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 but we're adding a kickback. So as it comes back, instead of staying to the side, you're gonna go back. All right, curl and then kick back, kick back. So we're working our bicep, triceps, the entire arm at the same time. Very good, nice straight back, tucked in tummy, elbows nice and close to your body. Kicking back as much as you can feel it. You're gonna feel it in your triceps. And 3, 2, 1, and together. First set done and dusted. Already feeling it. Right into set number 2, big breath. Starting with our bicep curls, palms facing forward, and let's go. Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops. And 3, 2, 1, squeeze, 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 and release, very good. Alternating punches, let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. Putting one down, straight back, overhead, tricep extension. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Picking up our other dumbbell, ending strong with hammer curls to kick back. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Putting down our dumbbells, shaking it out, and get ready for one more set.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
And 3, 2, 1. Squeeze, 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 and release. Very good. Alternating punches. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. Putting one down, straight back, overhead, tricep extension. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Picking up our other dumbbell, ending strong with hammer curls to kick back. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. And there we have it, my beautiful people. 3 sets of our Tone and Sculpt workout with or without dumbbells, with weight, whatever you used or didn't use. I hope you loved it. Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. All right, and I hope to see you on the next one.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.